Mazda 6. Got a little dicked up hood on it. It's only got 76. It's an 04 with only 76, which is probably means it's in the area of 6, but it's got the hood issue. She's definitely not been cleaned up in there. Runs real nice. Sounds like it does. Here's the damage with the hood up. Looks like it just needs a little trim piece there. Right here? Sure that's not the fender? Where? Alright. Oh, it's dripping oil? Yeah. It's leaking oil. Where's it coming out of, you know?
Looks like the rear main on the motor.
Rear main on the motor.
Well, yeah, that's what's weird. You can see it hanging right off the mount.
You want to take it out?
Yeah.
See if there's a little puddle under it?
See it hanging right off the mount and shit? Yep, right there. That's not oil. Isn't it? No.
It's not oil.
I thought that's where the oil was going down.
Okay, Marty's going to take it for a drive. How's it inside?
Please.
The air working?
Feels like it.
To be continued. I heard something clicking. He did too.
That's oil.
Is it?
Yeah, it's fresh too. Those two spots.
Alright, there's our oil.